Well, today's burger is going to be my take on the Oklahoma onion burger and the Mississippi slug burger all combined. Get your favorite condiments. That would be pickles. I don't think cheese is a condiment, but you need cheese. And get some very good buns, the Martin potato rolls. Now this here mayo will not be a condiment. It's going to be a bread browner. Get them babies lubed up like that. Now, here's your 2.5 ounce cow balls. What that consists of is about 2 ounces of 80/20 ground chuck. The other half ounce is made up of these Funyuns, onion flavored rings. I love them. Alrighty, once you get them in a bowl, get them measured out, get your hands in there, and get them all broke apart. Now, it don't all have to be dust. One of these little small chunks works out great, I can go ahead and tell you. Get them all combined. You don't want to firmly pack them, just loosely pack them. Always give it a snort test. Figure out if you got enough, and we do. So moving on, we're going to have something hot to cook it on. When that something hot gets up to 425 degrees, just go ahead and get those buns nice and toasty. Now mayo makes a good browner. Look at her there. Perfect. Alrighty, now go ahead and put your pickles on the bottom so we'll be ready when this burger's done. Don't be stingy with the pickles like old Ronald McDonald is. Alrighty, let's put these balls down on this hot metal. And per George Moats, we like to sear one side. That way your smashy won't stick. But what I've found out over the last couple days when you're using a filler in a burger, that don't always ring true. As you can see here, it fell all apart. This burger reminds me a little bit of life. You think you got it figured out, and then all of a sudden, it just falls apart. You try your best to keep it together, and sometimes you do pretty good. I ain't gonna lie. These here look just like nice little patties, but they're a little loose. But there's one man out there that can help you out. Good Lord knows what to do. Yeah, just like here. Kind of like you ask for a little help. He'll send you along a piece of cheese. And that piece of cheese will hold everything together and everything will be just right. Alrighty, moving on. Let's get that bun up there. Let that cheese melt. Took about a minute. So, that's like usual. That's a 3.5, 4 minute burger. Let's get her built. Get her off. And let me tell you, might need a little, them things that you put on your finger, a thimble. Hey, we need a burger thimble. That would be good. Snort it up because this smells very good. I'm gonna lie, well, I know it's a very good cook, but I was just trying to make it look like anywho. Let's look at her. Man, that's the way a good old smash burger should look. Look at that crusty edge. Man, it looks good. Now you gotta get prepared for this one. Let's get them sleeves rolled up. Get her picked up. I don't know why I feel like I should flip it upside down to eat it. I think I will get me a little bite of this there crust with that cheese melted in, and go ahead and tell you, this might be my best creation yet. When you take a bite, I was thinking, no, this is going to be a little dry. But those Funyuns, they soaked up all that grease. So we got a juicy burger, we got a crunchy burger, we got the West Tennessee slug burger. This is great, and my wife said I put the fun in yuns. Alrighty, that's it. I appreciate you, and I love you. And Mojo is out.